Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll explain how to hide offline members in Discord. Now, actually, Discord doesn't have any toggle button or feature that allows you to manually hide offline members. Now, before it had to reach a certain amount, it was 100 members in your Discord server so that it would automatically hide offline members. But with the recent updates, you have to have 1,000. That's a minimum member count. You have to have 1,000 members in your Discord server. And as soon as it reaches the 1,000 member count, it will automatically hide offline members. Even if you're an admin to that Discord server, it doesn't give you an option to manually hide offline members. It has to have to reach a certain member count so that it would automatically hide offline members. So that's 1,000. Now, since there's no manual way how to hide offline members, I can show you how to mute your Discord server. So all you have to do is go to your Discord server, right click on it, and then there's an option that says mute server. So you can choose how long you want to stay that server muted. So you can choose until you turn it back on or 24 hours, whatever suits you. So that's it. Again, you cannot hide manually offline members. It has to reach a certain member count, which is 1,000. And that's it.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.